Do you know if the pillow you're sleeping on is healthy for you? I didn't know until it was 2 o'clock in the morning and I couldn't sleep. Hi, my name is Frank, and after my car accident I had sleeping problems. I woke up with pain in my neck and shoulders. I was tired during the day and I couldn't focus at school and work. You would think, just buy a new pillow. I did. I bought 5 different ones and it costed me hundreds of dollars. The pillows were either too soft or too firm. They were filled with garbage, didn't feel comfortable, and didn't give me the neck support I needed. The memory foam pillows start soft, then they warm up, lose their shape, and make me sweat. Also, you cannot wash them properly. Your pillow becomes a home for bacteria, dust mites, and their droppings. And then I knew I wanted to create my own pillow. An adjustable pillow that fits every type of sleeper. Not only if you have neck problems, but also if you just want to sleep very comfortable. I am the founder of Franky's Pillow, and I gathered around a team of the best developers and producers in the pillow industry. And together we set on a journey to create the world's best personalized pillow. We at Franky's let you choose. With our help and guidance, you are able to decide for yourself what thickness or firmness you prefer in your pillow. And why? Because you know what you like the most. To make the best pillow there is, we asked hundreds of sleepers and physiotherapists, what makes a pillow perfect? The answer was simple: comfort and ergonomics. We combined these two and searched for the best suitable materials. For the cover, we used Stencil, a fabric made out of wood that comes from special sustainable forests. Why do we use Stencil? It's moisture regulating and feels extremely soft and cool to your skin. Then we filled up the cover with a little bit of bamboo to make the pillow even more comfortable. Why bamboo? Bamboo is a self-replenishing grass that is natural and sustainable. It's smooth and silky and has a good absorbing capacity. We used a special foam made out of natural soya and orange blossom oils. Why is this foam so special? It's highly breathable, temperature regulating, and doesn't make you sweat. It always stays in the right shape for your ergonomic sleeping position and optimizes the blood circulation. The foam is environment-friendly produced, it has a long durability and is machine washable, so you always sleep on a healthy and clean pillow. Now you wake up fresh and fully energized. You're ready to conquer your day. I am so happy we can finally share this amazing product with you. Order now on Kickstarter and enjoy our lowest price ever. We are Franky's, and sleep is power.